Hi, this is just a quick video showing a question I have using a new software that I'm learning called Home and Landscape Design Professional by Punch Software. It's a home building tool, and you can do landscaping and like decks and pools and stuff with it. So as the first project, I decided to make my house. This is my house, and I have a ranch home. So I thought it would be pretty easy to do this my house because there's not a whole lot going on with it other than there's like some ceilings that have like an arch in them or a gable or whatever, and there's some dormers, and yeah, I didn't think it would be that hard, but I've run into an issue where I can't figure out how to do this specific kind of detail where the roof continues down kind of inside the dormer a little bit and then stops. Um, and I can't figure out a way how to do this. I had an idea of maybe extending or not having the roof come all the way down, like, and have it end before the wall, and then basically making another roof piece to kind of go in here to make this piece, and then another roof to extend through here, and then they would just have like a break line here. But I'd have to kind of eyeball that, and I don't know that that's the best solution. I did a similar thing because this is kind of a weird shape too, where I have a gabled roof kind of attaching into the side of the house, but then I also have this dormer that continues the exact same shape across, so it's one continuous piece, and then it continues up over here, and so obviously I have two separate pieces here, which causes a break there. If there's a way to do this as one continuous piece, I'd love to know that. Um, and also here I had to create a little piece of roof to kind of fill in that gap between the end of the roof up here and the inside of there. Um, Now certain parts of this it works fine. Like this dormer has continuous roof across here, and it does on my house as well. Um, but the garage, has these little pieces, and I can maybe figure out a way to build those too. Um, that doesn't seem like that's going to be too much of an issue for me to figure out. But this piece, I thought maybe using the dormer cutout tool would work, but it can't cut all the way through the side of the roof, which seems strange to me as a limitation. So like if I add a cut here, oops, well, it errors out a lot too when you do it that way, but it does work. I've had it work. Come on. Weird, it was just working not that long ago. Oh, maybe it's because this is too, whatever, I'm just going to do it like this. So there's a hole, and if I zoom in, I probably wasn't doing it proper. If I zoom in and then drag this to the edge, and then drag this to the edge, and try not to get it to go through, you can see it looks like it's going to work, but it doesn't let you cut all the way through, so you're left with like this floating line there. It's frustrating because this, like, it's almost there. Like this is almost exactly what I wanted, but yeah, that line kind of ruins it. So anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video on this problem I'm having, because everything else seems pretty straightforward. The software is easy to learn. I've only been using it for like 2 days. I've made, in that time, I've made the whole floor plan, pass-through areas. I made all the kitchen. I started even adding like toilets and stuff in the bathrooms, did all the doors and windows. I have to rip off the my add-on sunroom because I figured out that there's actually an add-on, so you can have like the outer part of the house and then have a sunroom, like an addition. So I need to redo that piece, but that's not a big deal. But yeah, in general, I'm liking the software to kind of block things out. I can't wait to get into landscaping and actually build like my entire yard and my driveway. Really, really cool. It's fun. Um, But yeah, this is a bummer that this doesn't work, and I can't figure out an easy way to do this. So I know there's a couple, at least a few advanced users in the forum. So I hope, I'm going to post this in the actual user forum for the software. So hopefully somebody that's more familiar with the software than I am can guide me with this. And then I want to learn trim and edging and those kinds of detailing things to kind of get a lot of the stuff in the photo or on my house that like this trim here and the edging on the side here for like the gutters. Um, I'm sure there's a way to do that because I saw there's a power trim tool in the design. Um, yeah, the power tool. There was a trim tool, so that's cool. Um, yeah, if I could get any help from anybody, that would be awesome. Awesome to find a way to find a solution for this. Right now, like I said, I'm probably gonna raise this roof up and then extend it in and eyeball it, which is not gonna be easy. But I don't know of another way to set it up properly. So, thanks a lot.